AI is everywhere. It writes, paints, and even composes music. But can it truly replace human creativity? Let's explore this ultimate showdown, AI versus human creativity. Here's our first contender, a passionate artist carefully crafting every brushstroke. And on the other side, an AI that just created an artwork in seconds. Impressive, right? But wait, does speed equal creativity? While AI can generate images instantly, the artist brings emotions, memories, and personal experience into their work. So, who wins this round? Let's move on. Next up, music. Here's a human composer drawing from life experiences to create melodies filled with emotion. And over here, AI analyzing thousands of songs to generate a brand new hit in seconds. Heartbreak? Joy? Nostalgia? Nope. Music isn't just about notes, it's about emotions. Looks like AI still has a long way to go. Now let's talk photography. Humans capture raw emotions, lighting, and soul in their photos. AI? Well, AI just needs a few words. Okay, that's hilarious. AI can make cool images, but does it understand why certain photos make us cry or feel nostalgic? Not quite. Photography is more than just pixels, it's storytelling. Finally, let's talk storytelling. Writers spend hours crafting the perfect plot, but AI? It generates 100 stories per minute. Sure, AI can write, but can it make us feel? Can it make us cry, laugh, or stay up all night thinking about a story? Looks like storytelling is still in human hands. For now. So after all that, is AI here to replace human creativity? Maybe not. AI isn't the enemy. It's a tool. It can help us brainstorm, edit, and automate. But we bring the heart and soul into creativity. The future isn't AI versus humans, it's AI with humans. Now it's your turn. What do you think? Can AI ever replace human creativity? Drop a comment below. Thanks for watching.